As you can see, I got my microfiber mop head, and I am thoroughly impressed. Right from the moment that I took it out and mopped the first time, it actually does a real good job, like the old-fashioned mops where you put in the mop bucket. And the only difference is that this is microfiber instead of those strings. So when you sweep around the table, when you mop around the table or mop around the furniture, you know how remember the old-fashioned mops used to leave all of those strings all over the place? This one doesn't do that. This one does a good job of cleaning and mopping, and it's heavy duty. In fact, on the bag when it comes, it says the mop that works. That's a good model. Highly recommend it, and you should get you one. This is a really nice, heavy duty, but not heavy material-wise, but it's microfiber and very, very nice. I would highly recommend it. I hope you get one because it'll be worth it. A good investment. Have a good night and hope to help you in the future.